Good morning. This is Deb from Phenomenal Flowers. Whether you have been following me or even if you have not, I have about 7 vendor events between now and the end of March. So I thought I'd go into my stash and try to utilize some inventory. I won't say get rid of because it's very nice, but I do need to be able to finish so I can replenish. So I had these notebooks that say Choose Joy. I bought a case of them, but I only have 5 of the little pouches. It's really for like a tablet pouch, but I can't afford to give anybody or sell a tablet, so I just put the lined notebook in the front. They're only going to be $10, and I only have 5. I also am having a promotion that 25% off 20. So if you bought 2, they would only be $15. I have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the only thing I don't like about having things flat. It does mess up the bows a little bit, but when I get ready to store them, I am going to stand them upright. So these are only going to be $10, and just like when I had the specials for Christmas, I'm sure they go over really well. Make a great birthday present, a just because present, feeling down, and you want to help them feel better by saying, choose joy, choose to be happy. Sometimes you have to. So this is Deb with Phenomenal Flowers, showing you some things I'm preparing for my next few vendor events. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.